Good morning, this is Grace Schick with your Orchard Hollow morning announcements.
Today is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
February is recognized as Black History Month. Black History Month was created to focus attention on the contributions of African Americans to the United States. It honors all Black people from all periods of U.S. history, from the enslaved people first brought over from Africa in the early 17th century to African Americans living in the United States today. Each school day, we will be recognizing an African American and his or her accomplishments. Today we honor Sojourner Truth.
Sojourner Truth was an abolitionist and a feminist during the 19th century. Truth escaped enslavement and rose to become a leader in the fight for equality and fair treatment for both women and African Americans. Sojourner Truth's birth name was Isabella Baumfree. She was born into slavery in Ulster County, New York around 1797 and was first sold away from her family at the age of 9. Truth escaped with her infant daughter in 1826, and 1 year later the state of New York emancipated all enslaved persons. In 1843, she officially changed her name to Sojourner Truth. Sojourner means traveler. Her chosen name represented her life, the traveler who preaches her truth. Truth met with Lincoln to share her stories and later helped recruit Black troops for the Union Army during the Civil War. Sojourner Truth died on November 26, 1883, and is remembered today as one of the nation's first feminists and foremost abolitionists.
Today we honor Sojourner Truth. We wanted to make sure to wish happy birthday to a few of our Huskies that celebrated yesterday on the snow day and also on Monday. So happy birthday to Jack Bruno, who celebrated his birthday on February 15th. Happy birthday to Aubrey Graff, who celebrated her birthday yesterday. And happy birthday to Emily Lint. We hope you guys had a great birthday. There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow. And now for our joke of the day. How does a penguin build a house? It glues it together. Just a reminder that today we are on our remote Wednesday schedule. That means our day begins promptly at 8:45 with morning meeting, and our instructional day will end at 11:45. It's a great day to get out there in the snow. Make it a great day, Huskies.